Welcome to Pradeep lessons. Good morning, teachers. I made a video on birds and animals in the part of AP Bridge course. Look at the picture and write names of animals. In this picture, elephant, next one, tiger, lion, this one is deer, next one, zebra, next one, giraffe, this one, ostrich, next one, in this bone, bear, this one is cheetah, next one, crocodile, next one is hippo, then last one is rhinoceros. Next activity, find the way to this lion to its den. In this picture, the map has 3 lanes to reach the lion's den. If first one is there is no way, second one is similar, next third one is there. In this way the lion reached his home. In this third way there is no block, it is very easy to reach his dens. It means lion's den. Yes, this is the correct way. Next to activity, write 4 sentences using this table. First one, the tiger is in front of the tree. Next, we frame second sentences using this table. The tiger is under the tree. The tiger is under the tree. Next sentence, that is third one. The tiger is behind the tree. The tiger is behind the tree. Next sentence. That is last one. Fourth one. The tiger is beside the tree. The tiger is beside